Hey guys, I am here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Today I'm here to explain you amazing dive for your garden. Here are some amazing dye ideas for your garden. Vertical pallet planters. Repurpose an old wooden pallet by turning it into a vertical planters. Attach some pots or planters to the pallet, fill them with soil and plant your favorite flower or herbs. Hang the pallet on a wall or fence for a beautiful vertical garden. Dye terracotta pot tower. Stack terracotta pots of varying size to create a tower planters. Start with a large pot as the base and gradually decrease the size as you stack them. With each pot with soil and plant flowers or trellising plants in each layer. This creates an eye-catching focal point for your garden. Upcycled tire planters give old tire a new purpose by transforming them into a planters. Paint the tires with weather resistance, paint in vibrant colors and fill them with soil. Plant flowers or even small shrubs in each tire and arrange them creatively in your garden. Hanging gutter garden. Utilize old gutters to create a hanging garden. The gutters into smaller section and attach them horizontal to a wall or fence. Fill them with soil and plant herbs, small vegetables, or drizzling flowers. This space-saving garden is both functional and visually appealing. Type fairy garden. Design a charming fairy garden by creating a miniature landscape with small plants and decorative elements. Use a shallow container or a section of your garden and arrange tiny plants, pebbles, and small accessories like fairy houses, bridges, and mini furniture. Let your imagination guide you in creating a magical world. Wine bottle edging. Repurpose empty wine bottle to create a unique garden border. Dig a shallow trench along the edge of your garden bed and bury the bottleneck down. Touch of whimsy to your garden. Dye herb spiral. Construct a herb spiral using bricks or stones to create a multi-level